Hey guys, my name is Rakshit and I am a traveler. So usually I travel a lot whenever I get free time. But nowadays we all know how the situation is going on all around the world. Now if you're watching this video in 2020, you must be aware that we have faced a lot of consequences and we have lost our loved ones as well. So same goes with me as well. So I was also locked in my own place from past few months. But now the central government has recently announced that lockdown has been lifted in India. So I was very happy to hear that. So I planned my itinerary to visit my place, my first destination, which is none other than the stress buster place in Goa. So I'm gonna share my few experiences and glimpse of Goa footage so that you would be getting some idea about the incredible places that you can visit in Goa. Now, if I talk about overall Goa, let me tell you, Goa is the smallest state in India. But this is the city which will give you indelible experience which none other city will be able to give you. Let me tell you one interesting thing. Goa's total land is 30% of greenery, which makes it isolate from another tourist destination. Yes, that's right. One more thing, Goa is also considered as India's tourist magnet destination because every year it attracts domestic traveler as well as international traveler. That is what makes it unique from other destinations. Honestly, I wanted to share our experience with you all. Many times I have been visited in Goa, but all the time I have been in North Goa. But this time I have choose a different thinking, which is visiting South Goa. That's right. I mean, like I have one of my friend. She suggested me to visit South Goa. That's a different thing, which is quite away from the city. It's like bit distance away from the city, but being a tourist, what else you want, staying away from the hustle and bustle of the city, that is all you need, right? So yes, I have visited South Goa, and that experience for me, it was overwhelming, it was a mesmerizing experience because if you are a nature lover, if you are an animal lover, if you are a eco-friendly lover, that place is definitely for you. Coming to North Goa, I usually observe this thing that people who comes Goa for spending their holidays usually always visit North Goa. Because there is a couple of reasons. Because you have nearest railway stations, nearest airport, your resorts, your beaches. Couple of beaches are available in North Goa. But let me tell you, if you are really a true traveler, if you really want to explore Goa, you must visit South Goa because South Goa has one place which will give you incredible experience. Now, that place name is the Tribe Resort, which is located in Canacona in South Goa. I have recently visited that place, and that place had gave me mesmerizing experience, a satisfactory experience as well. Yes, so I'm gonna tell you a few glimpses about the Tribe Resort. So as soon as I entered the resort, I got a very positive vibes. That is very important for me because before this I have stayed in North Goa in a concrete wall hotels. But there I won't be able to get that feeling as a tourist. But here obviously I got it. So as soon as I entered the resort, I saw that this resort is actually not a resort. Basically, it's a jungle. Yes, I mean, I thought, am I entering into the resort or am I entering into the jungle? Because there is a lot of space in between the reception side on the frontal area of the resort and the outer area or the inner area of the resort. Because you won't be able to find out that you are actually going towards the room or actually going towards the forest. Because yes, once I got into my room, the room was quite spacious, the room was very good. You have to climb the ladder and then you have to enter the room and you get a 360-degree view. I mean, come on, 360-degree view, is it really? And thereafter there is obviously there is no breach of privacy as well. And secondly, you get a very comfortable bed in the room. Now if I talk about the outer area of the rooms, if once you climb down from your room, you would be getting the jungles everywhere you go, so you would be able to spot the nature and the animals as well, which is not harmful. Obviously you would be able to as in which includes your monkey, your peacock, spotted deer, and birds and lot of species are available. And simultaneously, once you head towards your cafeteria area, they have a well-deserved buffet system availability for you. I mean, come on, like mid of the jungle, you're having your buffet, which includes your natural food. I mean, which doesn't include your processing food. I'm talking about the natural foods. Now, obviously, you can come and whenever you want, you can have your food. There is no timing restrictions and all. Secondly, they have a different space where you can go, where you can sit and relax. You can meditate if you want. You can do yoga, and you can spend some time with your family, your friends, and you can read books. You can have a sip of your coffee. Whatever you want, you can do. There is no restrictions at all because that resort has a very huge space so that you can roam around wherever you want. And thirdly, I would like to also add, they have a very good ambience of the resort. You would be surrounded by wildlife sanctuary, and thereafter you would be able to see the beautiful landscapes, and then on a distance away from the resort you would be able to enjoy the benefits of waterfall as well. Yes, if you're in Goa and you're not thinking about beaches, now how that can be possible? Like personally, I have visited a couple of beaches which is very near to the tribe resort. I would like to name a few beaches, which is Palolam Beach, then we have Agonda Beach, then we have Butterfly Beach, then we have Patnim Beach as well. So these are the few beaches which is very near to the resort, and these beaches are very less crowded, so you can actually explore with your friends and family. You have a lot of options to wherever you want. You can go and you can have sunbathing, you can do any water activities if you want, and then you end your day with the beautiful sunset. Yes, so that would be extraordinary experience for you, which I already experienced in my trip. So as soon as I came back to the resort, I got an opportunity to join a group who was already enjoying a bonfire with a light music. Yes, so resort gives you an option to play a light music. You can bring your own speaker if you want. You can enjoy the bonfire. And secondly, they also show you a documentary or a movie sometimes in a week, so that you can also enjoy with your friends and family. Last but not the least, see, I'm not tend to give long speeches or any kind of gyan, but as we all are corrupted with our smartphones, for any further information about this tribe resort in Agonda area, South Goa, you can always Google on your smartphone. Till then, I'm gonna see you on my next traveling video. Thank you.